them
Yeah.
on the show.
Oh, good.
And you have a lot of yours on your show.
Yes.
In fact, I don't know why I invited you today, because I want all these for myself.
Lucky for us, snacking, a huge part of Italian cuisine. So much so that our next guest wrote a book about it. It's called Italian Snacking, Sweet and Savory Recipes for Every Hour of the Day. Chef Anna Francese Gass is going to show us and show off some of her delicious recipes. Great to have you here this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Wonderful to see you,
You too.
brains
My
and
kind of
beauty
segment.
and culinary brawn. Hello. First, a little language lesson.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
What are some of the Italian words for snacking?
Well, the big Italian word is spuntini.
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 And it means little bite.
Spuntini.
Yeah,
A
there's a little spuntini.
So we're gonna have a little
You're acting
spuntini.
like you knew this.
I did know this. You have a little spuntini.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm in an Italian sandwich right now. So
That's all right. It's the best sandwich to be
It's
in.
exactly right.
You brought quite the spread.
I brought quite the spread because I wanted to show you that Italians really, truly know how to snack.
They really do, and I love it because you get a little taste of kind of like everything because there's so many different taste buds you can hit all at once with all your different kinds of snacking.
Exactly.
Let's begin with what you're making first.
Okay, so I really wanted to show you my quattro stagioni pizza. And what's so fun about this pizza, it has all these toppings. Quattro stagioni, because we're doing an Italian lesson, is the 4 seasons. So we're going to start with our
That's
dough.
what that word means.
Yeah.
I knew the quattro.
So we're going to do a little zhuzh.
A little zhuzh.
Now, you were asking me about the dough.
Yes.
Now, my dough is very simple to make. Comes together,
Look
and
at this.
as you
Nice
can
and go
see,
back,
look
yeah.
how nice and pliable it is.
I was going to say, because this is my problem. When you,
Yeah,
you stretch
no,
it
no,
out,
no.
and then it goes right back into the...
Yep.
You
know what I
didn't
mean?
proof it, maybe.
You didn't proof it, but the other thing too is you want to make sure it's room temp.
Oh.
Because if it's cold and it's pulling back on you, that just means it's not ready for you, baby.
Okay.
You see?
So we're going to put down the sauce,
Yeah.
and the tomatoes represent summer. All right?
Oh, I see what's happening here.
You see what's happening.
I see what's happening here.
It's a little...
And then after we put down our beautiful, beautiful tomato sauce, what's cheese? What's pizza without cheese, right?
What-
Not
oh,
just
come
a
on.
piece of
and look,
bread.
you just tear it off.
You just tear it off. This is the Italian way. You know, you want those big bites of
That's right.
mozzarella cheese.
That's right. That's
All
right.
right?
I love you.
So
And
we're
Chef,
gonna
this is just a marinara.
exactly. And I have a recipe in the book. Of course, it's my mother's recipe because
Don't
if
be
you're
ridiculous.
Italian,
Didn't
you
you
have to have that.
I have made that recipe. I think that recipe broke the internet.
I think it did too.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
Everyone
what I
loves
thought, yeah.
Gina's meatballs. Everyone
Yes.
loves Gina. Okay, now let's move on to more seasons.
Yes.
So olives, okay? Olives in Hammer Winter,
You get a little salty,
a little salty bite.
right?
We have the artichokes,
Right.
Alcachofa? No, what is that?
carciofi.
Carciofi. See, I was
That-
thinking Spanish.
No, but you're
You're
close.
close.
You're
Close enough.
close.
There's some
Close enough.
similarities.
That
There's some-
represents
Thank you.
spring.
Spring, yeah.
Okay, and then
got the
we have our
fungi.
beautiful fungi,
Yeah. Fungi.
and
Good
that
job.
represents fall. And
That's
I'm
right.
just gonna have a lot of fun. And what I love about this pizza is you can have fun with it. You can make it a sheet pizza. You can
Yeah.
mix them all together. There's no kitchen police.
I was
do
gonna
it.
say.
Do with what you will.
You can make this with the baby. I can make this with these children of mine.
Exactly.
These children of yours.
Yes, on occasion. Tomorrow they may not be. And can we taste a little, please?
My
See, this
goodness,
already cut here.
Of
I'm like-
course. And we've made it so you can decide exactly what you
Yeah.
want.
I'm gonna do the fungi.
I'm
Thank
gonna go
you.
artichoke. I'm gonna go.
He's a carciofi guy.
He is. And obviously, the cannoli. I'm gonna dance.
You're gonna
you go
have to-
over here.
That's fantastic.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh
All
my
right,
goodness.
so everyone loves a good cannoli. What I want to do with this book is I want to convince you can make cannoli at home. And you can.
Oh, boy.
The shells
You
are
sure?
easy to make.
You made the shell too?
I made the shells, and the cannoli cream is phenomenal. I want you guys to learn also how to fill. So
Please.
easy.
Okay.
All right? So I'm going to show you. You're going to put the piping right in there,
Yep.
squeeze it, and then make a nice little
Yeah.
button on the
And
bottom.
then you get to the other side.
And then you
do
get to
this?
the
And then you go to the other side, and you do the same thing. Now, you can leave it like this,
Yeah. Or
do the dunk.
that's you
Wow.
gotta do the dunk.
Do the dunk.
Okay.
All right,
Dunk.
let's
You
see.
want to try it? Go ahead, ladies
I'm gonna.
first.
Oh dear.
You can do it.
I don't
I
have
have full
faith in me.
faith.
You got this, Marisol.
All right. Well,
It's not that hard.
And, you know,
she's a big deal.
I'm not a big deal, but
I don't wanna
listen,
mess up.
cannolis are from Sicily. And that's another thing I really did with this book was I wanted people to know exactly where all the different snacks come from.
Yes.
Because it's all based on region.
Thank you for the history lesson as well, because I like to know where my.
Yes.
You didn't even wait for me to finish. You are an animal. Okay.
Animale.
Animale. Tell us about your fantastic event before we get to Christine. I want to make sure people know where to find you tonight.
Tonight, I will be at Union Square, Barnes & Noble with the one and only Rachel Ray. So tickets are still available. They're going fast, but Rachel is talking to me about the book. She is a phenomenal person, a great friend, and I'm excited to be with her this evening.
Oh my gosh. We have no more time left, but this crostini is in the book.
olive
delicious.
pepperonata and caponata.
I love it.
Beautiful.
I love it.
All right, we got a chin chin.
Oh.
And the Aperol Spritz.
Oh, we forgot about the
was
Aperol
to
Spritz.
rinse
Hold
it
on, we just gotta
all
pop this bottle real quick.
Oh,
I'm
jeez.
sorry. I know we're out of time.
Because you have to?
We just have to. We just might as well, right? Oh, there you
Woo!
go. Okay.
You were a gentleman.
You know?
All right, and now salute.
Salute. Right, there you
Salute.
go. There you go. Okay.